Assalamualaikum. Today I will presenting about my training internship at Tenaga Murni Resources. First and foremost, I would like to thanks to all to my advisor, Sir Wan Yusrol Rizal and Dr. Halida for assisting me and giving me the opportunities to complete this assignment and training. Tenaga Murni Resources is located at Peringat Kota Baru. It was founded in 2013 by Mr. Othman. He is the owner and the director of the company. The main business activities of the company are manufacturing cement brick and supply them through wholesale and retail market. They also offer other construction material to their customers. Their mission are to provide a wide range of high quality construction material and excellent customer service to our clients, promoting sustainable manufacturing practice and contributing to the growth and development of our community. The vision for the company is to be one-stop shop for all construction needs in our region, to be respected and trusted by our customer and industry peers, and to continue to grow and expand our business while maintaining our core values. At Tenaga Murni Resources, the top manager or director is Mr. Hotman Isaf, and my role is as his assistant director, Faidi Othman. Under our leadership, we have marketing department that have only one person, Encik Ahmed bin Ibrahim. Our finance department, Cik Nur Fatin Izzati binti Badrul Hisham. And management department, we have Puan Nur Atika and Encik Roslan. In production department, our supervisor was led by Muhammad Amir, and we have approximately 9 machines operator who working in the production departments. We also have lorries driver to deliver our product and services. We have 2 lorries, then we have 2 drivers, Encik Muhammad Sabri and Encik Abdul Aziz bin Abdul Rahman. I will start explaining our production process flow. I will start the first of all. This is where we stockpile our 2 of the raw main material, the sand and quarry dust. From the stockpile, we will use the front loader to move our sand and quarry dust to its own container, because we don't want to mix it too early in the process. As you can see in the video, the sand and the quarry dust will be brought out by conveyor belt into the mixer above. At the mixer, our machine operator will add cements and chemical known as SD2 to its hardening concrete materials chemicals to increase our product quality. And from the mixer, it will be moved up again into the main press machine. This is where the mix of the cement, sand, quarry dust and the chemical will be pressed into the mold and turned into the bricks. It will be then transported on the steel plate to the crane operated by our operator. As you can see from the picture, our operator will load the bricks into the racks. From the racks, another operator driving the forklift will load the racks onto the field for it to dry. At the field, we will leave the bricks to dry for approximately for 24 hours. After 24 hours or the following days, another forklift operator will move the racks back into the factory for its stacking. As you can see from the video here, our crane operator will feed the bricks back into the machine to go into its second phase of stacking the bricks. From the video, this is how the stacking works. The bricks will move upward and will be stacked by the hydraulic press up above and will be lowered down below after it reaches 500 pieces of brick. Another forklift operator will then move the brick to the field. At the field, the bricks will be dry for approximately 4 to 7 days for it to completely cure and be delivered to the customer. And then after 7 days, this is what the bricks will load up into the trailer for its delivery to the customer. Next is the product that our company offer. First, we have cement bricks, of course. This is where we manufacture it in-house. The second one is clear bricks, where we outsource it from our supplier. We make sure the bricks are up to the standard for our customer satisfaction. The third product is cement. It is one of our raw material to produce brick, but we also sell it to the customer. The third product is various type of sand. Sand is also our main raw material, but we also have different type of sands for different purpose to sell to our clients. We also have rocks, different type of rocks. We have crusher run, quarry dust, and aggregate rocks for different type of purpose also. And the rocks is also one of our main material, where we usually use quarry dust to mix it with the sand and cement to produce the bricks. After that, I will explain to you about my SWOT analysis for Tenaga Murni Resources that I have done. The strength of Tenaga Murni Resources is that it has very good customer base. The customer are loyal to us and have been with us for years. The type of target customer that Tenaga Murni Resources have are contractors and hardware stores. They often purchase it, I can say daily and with bulk order. Second strength is we have a great product quality. We are known for our brick press that are high quality, is indispensable and is good. Secondly, opportunities. We are situated at strategic location at Peringhat actually, and at Peringhat we are in the suburbs of Kota Baru where the growth is high. We have a hospital Bachok which is being built, and we expect that it will grow massively. Next on opportunities, we have large land area where we can do expansion for our company, and we can expand our machines. We can store large bulk of raw materials and others. On the other hand, at Tenaga Murni Resources, we also have weakness and threats that's roaming around. The first threat is introduction of new product technology to replace traditional bricks such as IBS and lightweight brick. The IBS is widely used and been supported by the Malaysian government to replace ordinary bricks as they are more efficient and low cost compared to the traditional bricks. The lightweight brick also been used especially in high-rise building because of its easy of handling, and the new technology have been very popular in Malaysia recently, so it's put the threats on our company. Our next threat is insufficient raw materials. At Tenaga Murni Resources, we have encountered a couple of times where in years where we have insufficient raw materials. This is because the high demand of our raw materials being put to government big projects such as Yusrol, the new highway, and many other big projects like the airports. The insufficient raw materials also affect our production capacity, as we have to halt the production and we have to continue to pay the bills to our creditors, although we cannot make any more new products. The customer also dissatisfied with us, as we cannot produce our bricks, and they have to halt also their orders from their customers. Next is weaknesses. Understaffed in management department. At Tenaga Murni Resources, we are understaffing in management department. This have caused a lot of problem, especially in key areas such as bookkeeping and financial literature. The organization, our company have sales approximately 2 or 3 millions a year. So the keeping of bookkeeping is very important, but we also fail at that. File management is also not being handled correctly, leading to regulatory hard for us to comply. Next is our high production costs. At Tenaga Murni Resources, recently post-COVID, we have experienced very high increase in raw material price. The cement price have jumped massively from 17 ringgit up to 22 ringgit in 2022. Our corridors also have hikes in prices, and also other materials that we use for daily operation have also risen in prices in recent years. Next is my recommendation for the company. For the threats of incoming new products such as RBS and lightweight bricks, I suggested that we apply cost-saving measures to avoid waste. And next, we should diversify our product offering to offer new products to our customer. Next is we should strengthen our existing product offering. The quality of our brick, we should make it more high in quality so that we could differ with other competition. The next is threats of insufficient raw materials. Tenaga Murni Resources should monitor the market trends to see if the recent demand for our raw materials are being put unnecessary, and then we should negotiate for long-term contract to improve inventory management. Next is the weakness in understaffing in management department. We should increase staffing in management department position to fill the hole that have been left of understaffing. Secondly, we should conduct regular cost analysis to see where do we shorts in our price of producing a brick, so that we can identify where the problem is. Next is we should improve our financial literacy, where we should send our employers to the course where they could train how to handle proper bookkeeping and accounting. For the weakness, high production costs, we should improve our efficiency in production process. We should avoid waste and improve our output. We also should look at alternative raw materials such as fibers, so we could incorporate it in our production. In conclusion, as an intern at Tenaga Murni Resources, I have great opportunity to gain understanding of the challenge faced by the company, from analysis of insufficient raw materials, understaffing in management, and the rising construction material costs. While the challenge faced by Tenaga Murni Resources are significant, I am confident that with the right step, the company could overcome and secure its future. In conclusion, I am grateful for the opportunity to be an intern at Tenaga Murni Resources, and would like to thank you to the management team for their support and guidance throughout my internship. I believe that my experience at Tenaga Murni Resources will prove invaluable as I continue to pursue my career in the business field. As a bonus, this is time lapse of how our production flow works.